Hey everyone and welcome to Crypto Gems. Today we're going to be talking about the Shatterpoint project. This is an RPG based game on the blockchain which has some awesome features. I'll be going through all the details of this project, so you're going to want to be staying until the end of the video. But before I get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for information and education purposes only. Now let's dive into it. So here is the Shatterpoint website, and they're the first skill-based free-to-play blockchain action RPG game for mobile. And just a quick reminder that the website will be in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check it out over there. And first things first, we're going to take a look at the gameplay. So this game was actually created by Block Games, and they actually partnered up with Stodi, a mobile games development studio. So they have some good partners behind them who really helped them develop this app. Stodi, for those of you who don't actually know, is one of the top 3 studios in Europe for game development. They have 200 million active players and over 10 years in the game dev industry. So they have a very professional team working on Shatterpoint currently, and game alpha will actually be coming Q4 of 2022. Over here is a little backstory of the Shatterpoint universe and how their characters developed. And here is actually some gameplay screenshots that you can expect to see. And as we can tell that these are really well developed and designed really. So the people who were working on this project have really put in a lot of detail, a lot of attention to detail and precision on the actual artistic side and details and the color and description of this landscape and these characters as well. So this would be you selecting your characters, adding different attributes. So definitely overall a really well done job. And the creators actually had in mind to keep this as a free to play game for all people to really enjoy and show some really equality, that you can just have your NFT, build it and progress it throughout this game and just have fun playing it for free. You'll get the opportunity to compete in seasonal challenges. So like I mentioned just now, they have designed the game in a free to play model as a core philosophy of the game, creating an equal opportunity for all players to craft an NFT and progress through the game. And at the end of each season of the game, there'll be something called the Shattering, which basically resets all non-NFT hero stats back to their introductory levels. To give existing players an advantage over new players, they'll actually keep their runes, gear, and tokens. This whole Shattering concept actually gives rise for the destroyed universe to be recreated for Shatterpoint's following season with new NPCs, campaigns to traverse, and bigger worlds to discover. As for more details and features of the Shatterpoint game, we can see over here they got seasonal content, they have NFT items, join the player-driven economy, earn, trade, and sell in-game NFTs in their marketplace. You'll get daily rewards, earn rewards, experience points, quantas, and equipment by hitting the top spots in our daily competitions and rewards pool. You'll get access to their marketplace where you can buy, sell, trade, manage, and view transaction histories of hero NFTs. You'll be able to actually rent out your hero NFTs to other players at no risk at all. Your skills will actually be also shown in their leaderboards, so get to the top of the PvE and PvP leaderboards, as well as participate in tournaments and special events. And you'll be able to actually upgrade your hero NFTs and equipment or forge new rare ruins by combining 2 of the same type. So the creators have definitely thought this through and given you all some great features to enjoy. Like I mentioned earlier, they did partner with Stodi, and they have 1.5 billion game downloads as Stodi themselves. They have 200 million active players and 2.3 million social media followers. So this isn't just some ordinary game development company. They have some good track record and a good backing and base behind them, and they've been doing this for quite some time, so they do have some awesome experience. And of course, we can't forget about Block Games, which is a game development company who is really taking the game development in Web3 to the next level. Taking a look at their roadmap, here is what we can expect to see in the upcoming future. So 2022 Q1, their community has been created. 2022 Q2, their light paper release, gameplay video release, NFT sales, which is their heroes. Coming up 2022 Q3 will actually be their white paper release, cinematic trailer release, NFT sales for their ruins collection, their SHA token launch. Q4 of this year will launch their web marketplace, closed alpha, 3 playable worlds, PvE, campaign and scrimmage, and PvP 101s. Q1 of next year, actually, they'll integrate PvP 3-on-3s and some QA testing. Q2 of 2023, they'll do open beta, season 1 kickoff, 5 playable worlds, and then more PvP modes. And then finally next year, Q3 to Q4, they'll be integrating full game launch, tournaments, special events, and their guild system. Also, here is their Discord, and here's where you can find the best of the best for this community. They got exclusive events such as contests, whitelist access, asset leaks, game night sessions, live chat, and AMA sessions. And not to mention the impact you can have on the final game by providing your ideas and feedback directly to their team. And I'm not going to leave you guys hanging just here. There's one important bonus for the first 10k Discord members, a free gift for everyone. The first 10k members will actually get Pioneer status, and they'll be able to vote on the gift that they receive. By the way, it's not a lottery, so everyone is actually able to get the gift. So definitely make sure to join in on this awesome community on their Discord. Make sure to click on that link down in the description below. And also here is their Twitter page, guys. This is some great stuff that they do over here for their community. As we can see, they do some good giveaways like the gift I just mentioned that they do on their Discord. So you're definitely not going to want to miss out on their Twitter side of things. Join the community over here as well. So make sure to give them a follow and also get those notifications on, because that's where they'll be announcing all their updates, their giveaways, and their shout outs and whatnot. So you guys definitely don't want to miss out on some of these great opportunities that Shatterpoint does over here. They do some different announcements. As you can see, here is some gameplay of a new character that they just introduced and tweeted out about, and they just do some awesome updates for their project. If you're part of their community, here is where the action happens, because you're definitely not going to want to miss their Twitter page. So that's it for Shatterpoint, guys. This is a great project that you're not going to want to miss out on. They have some great play to earn game features. They have some good development teams behind them, and we have seen their gameplay. So they have a lot coming up, which is promising. Once again, all the links that we covered in this video will be in the description down below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And thanks again for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a like, comment down below if you had any questions about this project. Don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Gems channel so you can keep on getting some great content in the cryptocurrency space to help you on your journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.